So just our luck. A storm is rolling in. We just got off the bus. They do have an internal bus system that goes Disney Springs to Typhoon Lagoon or Animal Kingdom to Blizzard Beach. We are going to Blizzard Beach, but we may have to get there and sit because as you can see, the wind is definitely picking up. It was a dust storm, and I feel it's raining already. I feel it, and I hear it. Okay, and they have the horseback riding over there. So we're gonna see if we can make Avery a reservation for tomorrow. But here's the internal bus system that goes from the parks to here. But I feel some sprinkles, y'all. I feel some sprinkles. Now, what we knew but we didn't understand is that you can bring your golf carts over here because you will have to get on technically like 2 to 3 buses. And so I'll do a whole review of this transportation system once we're able to come back from Blizzard Beach. But right now we're gonna go and have some Blizzard Beach fun. This on your phone for me? Got it.
It's cold. Mom, I want to go back to the hotel. That's what she said.
I tried finding your friend.
I think it's inside of my car. I can't even see
Hey, what's up, y'all? So we have officially been here for, I don't even have one to watch, about an hour. We ordered a barbecue pizza, chicken tenders, honey chicken tenders, and then my husband got a burger. I don't know if it was because they were cooking and then all of a sudden they had to shut stuff down, but my husband did not like the burger, full of transparency. He said it felt like, or it tasted like it was just sitting in the heater area for a while. My pizza was good, but they did have to make it because of my allergies. But right now we are in a covered area. It definitely was hard to find a place to go sit. So originally when we got on the bus, we took, if you are staying at the cabins, I'm glad that we asked. We were on the wrong side of the street. We were on the side where they drop us off. So we had to cross the street after the second bus came and we realized they were coming every 5 minutes. He is antsy because he's ready to go to the water park, but it's still sprinkling and the workers are still here. So we asked and they told us the best way to go to Blizzard Beach is to go to Animal Kingdom and then it has a direct transfer to Blizzard Beach versus if you go to Disney Springs, it goes to Typhoon Lagoon. So we got there and it started storming as soon as we got to the little bus stop in the front. So you do have to get on 2 buses. We had to go to the front where those golf carts were. Then you go to Animal Kingdom. Then, well, I guess there's 3 buses. Yeah. And then you go to Animal Kingdom. We sit there for about 15 minutes because the buses were congested, trying to get everybody out. And then we came over to Blizzard Beach. When we got here, a lot of people were leaving. We assumed that it was empty. Nope. A lot of people. How many people would you say was over here? Like over 100? Over 200 people were standing over here when we first got here. So we first ordered our food, decided just to go ahead and take advantage of the hour and let the food settle in our stomach if you want to, ride the day out. We knew that this day came with our check-in and we know that we want to just chill at the resort for the next day and a half. So we went ahead and came. Right now it's still mist sprinkling, but they do have us under this tarp where one of the food restaurants are. And it looks like everybody's just chilling, eating while everybody else was waiting for it to die down. And then they went back to the buses because the bus stops here are not as big. So people got soaked. I ended up packing 1 umbrella because I didn't want to overpack our bags. And that saved at least like my bag because it has a lot of holes in it. My husband had his backpack. And we put like this camera and our major electronics in there. Our GoPro is waterproof, but we still put it in there as well. But we've been over here about an hour. We're waiting it out for a couple of more minutes and then we should be able to get back on the ride and then we'll switch over to the GoPro. But let me know, have you been to Blizzard Beach before? We did Typhoon Lagoon, that was fun, but lost all my footage. All the footage that I have is on TikTok and on Instagram and I'll see if I can link some of those fun videos below. They were funny, but I lost all my footage because it was on the SD card that I lost during the very Merry Christmas party. But y'all not here for that. Y'all here for a great day at Blizzard Beach. So let me show you what it looks like right now. It's light mist rain. You can barely see her right now compared to the earlier part, but we're right here in this food area, just chilling at the table. And we already have on our swim shoes. And yeah, we're ready for Blizzard Beach. So let's go get on some rides as soon as the water stops.
Dang, some people are already entering the park.
Because it has a theme.
Like the top?
Yeah, don't go in the sand, okay? Here, stand right here. I'll take a picture. Let's go find lockers. The lockers. That's what we were at to eat.
So Eric can get on that?
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, I
He get on the slides.
No, I'm getting
Ain't that real cold?
No, I'm getting on that.
I don't know.
Mom, can I get on it?
I don't know. Okay, so we made it to the lockers. We're gonna take our chances and just walk around. Can't get on much, but at least it stopped storming, so we'll see. Okay, the water is warm. This is pretty much the only thing we can get on right now. Feel good, huh? I don't know. I don't know if this is a wave pool.
Can we just ask them if this is the wave pool?
I don't know if that is it. Avery?
No, this isn't. I think they're just shutting down because of the rain.
Let me see how good you float.
It's cold.
It's cold.
Not that cold.
Okay, so they officially started the waves. This is what he asked for, and Avery is way back here. Avery! Come on! Come on! See a little waves? I'm sure it ain't nothing like Typhoon Lagoon, but we're here. Where are you at? They get higher.
Daddy, fill your tummy. Fill your tummy.
Get warm. It's warm. It is warm. Gosh. It is, the water is warm. You are standing up. That's why it's cold. Get him, Ivory. Get him, Ivory. Get him, Ivory. Dive in.
He's so good. He's so good.
Come on. Come on. Good job. See?
Is it water resistant?
Yes.
Wait, on, he come back.
You ain't going nowhere.
Oh.
Ready? Extra.
These waves, they not taking you how to Typhoon Lagoon was to take you. Come on, Avery, what you see?
Ready? Set. Go.
Hello, Adventures with Avery. Today we're at the
Blizzard Beach.
Blizzard Beach, but the lifeguard said that they don't have no big waves like Typhoon Lagoon, and they said that's how the waves go.
Yep.
And
Now Avery's gonna go in the water, ready?
Go.
Take it.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between.
Ready?
So baby, we should start living now.
Ready, kids?
'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now.
Oh my gosh.
Can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it. We can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves.
Oh, I'm okay. What's happening?
Say what's wrong or right.
You can thunder the whole way down.
Only ones who can decide.
And how are you screaming, Avery?
I was like,
We could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now.
Dad, you could just waited on me.
We only have this
Oh, wow.
life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now.
What happened?
so we want to touch the water, I fell on my back, but luckily I didn't go underwater.
Yeah. We got knee burns around here. We got back pain around
Baby, we
here.
should start living now.
We're gonna find out today. Let me get the lucky seven, like a lucky seven. We're gonna do what? On our belly?
Baby, we should start living now.
You sitting on knees? That's it. Oh, okay. Oh, that's great. Because I'm about to say, take me out. Oh, there you go! The parrot! The parrot! Buried in water. Buried. Okay? Why stop? Because we overweight. We have capacity with the weight. We're scooting. I'm like, you know these kids be cheating. Oh, Dad! Boo! Oh, God. Hands up! Woo! Peter! Peter! He said you went too early, Peter! No! He said do not go! Cheat! He was telling us to lay down! Lay down! Right! All right, guys, that one was a lot better because we knew what to expect. You have fun? Hey, Daddy cheated?
Did you record me going though?
Yes, I did record you. We called you a cheater on the video.
Go, you said go.
No, I did not.
I just seen him go like this. I thought you meant go.
Move your mat, baby. Now that was fun.
I'm over all the way to the rail.
Sit down, Ivory.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living
Okay, so we got a dozen that's already demolished. Raspberry, white chocolate. Good.